Doctors call the product that helps to lose weight and normalize blood pressure. Good afternoon, dear viewer. The most useful and interesting information just for you. I wish you all goodness, happiness, love and a peaceful sky. So let's go. It is recommended to take it twice a day before meals. Experts have found that in order to lose weight, it is worth adding peanuts to your diet. So, in a new study, experts concluded that eating lightly salted peanuts twice a day before meals helps to reduce weight, normalize blood pressure and leads to healthier glucose levels in the body. An experiment was conducted in which the participants were divided into two groups. The first group avoided eating peanuts for 6 months, and the second ate 35 grams of this product twice a day before meals. As it turned out, the second group consumed 400 calories more than the first. Despite this, people in the second group still lost more weight. According to scientists, lightly salted peanuts are low in sodium, and this product also contains a large amount of an amino acid, arginine, which promotes phosphorylation. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, leave your comments. I wish you all love, happiness, kindness and a peaceful sky.